Today we will talk about the biggest confusing verbs in the German language. Should you use haben oder sein? In this lesson, I will give you the key to choosing the right verb in the right position. Let's first clarify the difference between these two helping verbs. Start with the verb sein. Is one of the most important verbs in German. It translates to be in English. Unlike English, German verbs conjugate differently depending on the person and tense. First, let's learn how to conjugate sein verb. Start with person pronoun in present tense. Singular case. Ich will take pen. Du bist. Sie es ist. And in the plural, wir will take sein. Ihr seid, sie sind. Now let's see together uses of sein. There are three main ways to use the verb sein to express state or condition. Example: Ich bin müde. My current state now is that I am tired, and I am describe my state now. Das Buch ist interessant. After reading this book, I can describe it as interesting. Second, to indicate location. Der Schlüssel ist auf dem Tisch. I know exactly where the key is, so I am pointing to its location. Wir sind in Berlin. I'm pointing out my current location to another person. Third, to express time. Es ist spät. Es ist spät. Es ist Montag. Es ist Montag. In this level of learning German, you just need to focus on express state or condition and indicate location. Second verb, haben. Haben is another fundamental verb in German. It's most used in German language, almost 80% of daily sentences, translating to have in English. Like sein, it's essential for forming versus tenses and expressions. How to conjugate haben verb? Start with the person pronoun in present tense, singular case. Ich will take habe, du hast, sie es hat, and in the plural case. Wir will take haben, ihr habt, sie haben. Uses of haben. Expressing possession. Ich habe ein Auto. Ich habe ein Auto. Sie haben zwei Kinder. Sie haben zwei Kinder. At the end of this lesson, we are going to do a quick review of sein and haben verbs with the person pronoun, and I hope you to make at least 3 small sentences and write it in the comment section.
If you like my video, a thumbs up would mean the world to me, and subscribe my channel to get all new videos. Thanks for watching.